with that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.
The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, don't sanctuary. Shatter me when you touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found. So when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older, all this time.
Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Happy New Year everyone. We are decided to celebrate this New Year differently, not in a restaurant, not at home. Just we are doing this picnic in our mango garden. We are doing together this beef biryani picnic, our brotherhood. Preparing our picnic cooking area and cleaning this spot. We collected some dry trees bunch by ourselves, made our own fire and chose own mango orchard as the kitchen. No rush, no stress, and just teamwork. Louder, everyone is helping to cook together on the menu today.
সর্বপ্রথম খাইছে সার্ডি
বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম।
রহমানির রহিম
খালি আবার চাটা বানজাবে দিমাগলো রে। Guys, this is our New Year celebration 2026. This is our beef biryani with curd and coke. And
This is
Mahim. Alif, nice. This is Saib.